Hello students and welcome to DAV Moyle Public School. Let's begin an online session of Standard 10th Mathematics and I am your teacher Mrs. Vandana Ghagre. Dear students, today in the Unit 8 Introduction to Trigonometry, we will see the solutions of exercise 8.2 which is based on the trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. If you know the values of sin 30, sin 60, cos 30, cos 60, tan 45 like this, means if you know the table of the some specific angles of the t ratios, then dear students, to evaluate this type of expression becomes a very easy task. See here, first example. In this you have to find the value of sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60. So what you have to do? You have to observe the table and then substitute its corresponding value in this and then solve it. You will get the answer as 1. Means sin 60 equals to root 3 by 2, cos 30 equals to root 3 by 2. Multiply both, you will get 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is sin 30 cos 60. Substitute this value and simplify it like as you do in numerical calculation. You will get the value as 1. See the second example. 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. So what you have to do? You have to substitute the value of tan 45, cos 30, sin 60 and then according to the numerals you have to solve the expressions like you solve the rational numbers. So your answer is what? Your answer is 2. See here another expression you have to evaluate, but this contain numerator and denominator. So what you have to do, dear students? Either you solve separately the numerator and denominator or solve simultaneously both at a time if it is possible for you. Here it is solved simultaneously both numerators and denominators. But instead of that you can write this as 1 upon root 2 divide by, give the sign, don't give the line, divide division sign of division, and then in the bracket you write down 2 upon root 3 plus 2, and then first you solve 2 upon root 3 plus 2 and then you have to change the division sign into multiplication. Now while changing the division sign into multiplication you have to take the reciprocal of the second number. So root 3 goes to the numerator and 2 plus 2 root 3 goes to the denominator. So in this way you will get the term root 3 upon root 2 into 2 plus 2 root 3, which when you solve gives the value as it is given here. So try to understand the steps. It is only a simple numerical calculations. Here we have to use the rationalization which we have already studied in standard 9th. Now the fourth question also the same, but here 3 numerator and 3 different terms in denominator. So it's better to solve this separately by putting the division sign in between this numerator and denominator and then taking the reciprocal of the number by changing the division sign into multiplication. Try this and then you have to rationalize the denominator to get the final value. See again from the table you have to write down the specific value of cos 60, sec 30, tan 45, sin 30 and cos 30. Then take their squares, solve the numerators and denominators separately. Then take their reciprocal of the second term. You will get the answer 67 upon 12. Now in the question 2 you have to choose the correct option. It is a multiple choice question. So how you will get its correct option? When you will solve it by substituting the values. See here the first one. Substitute the value of tan 30. You will get the answer root 3 by 2. So out of the given alternative, A is correct. The same way second, if you substitute the value is 0 and therefore the option D is correct. Third, if you substitute the value, you will get the option A is correct. And in fourth, if you will substitute the value of tan 30 root 3, then out of the given alternatives, only the option C is correct. So in this video, students, from the table you have to substitute the values and you have to solve the numerals. See the third question. Tan A plus B equals to root 3 and tan A minus B equals to 1 upon root 3. Now ABC are nothing but the angles of a triangle ABC. So if you will compare from the ratio table of some specific angle, you can see tan 60 equals to root 3. It means A plus B is equal to 60. Similarly, compare the ratio tan what angle equals to 1 upon root 3. You will find tan 30 equals to 1 upon root 3. Means A minus B is equal to 30. So now consider these two equations as the equation simultaneous equation in two variable. We have seen linear equations in two variable. If you will add it, you will get 2A equals to 90 degree, A equals to 45, and therefore we will get B is equal to 15, and therefore angle A is equal to 45 degree and angle B is equal to 15 degree. Now in the question 4th, we have to state whether the following statements are true or false. How you will justify? What we will do? We will find out the values of both sides, and if they are equal, it is true. If they are not equal, then it is a false. So here is the first question. Sin A plus B equals to sin A plus sin B. So let us take any number as A equals to 30 and B is equal to 60. So sin A plus B gives you sin 90, which is equal to 1. But if you will see sin A plus sin B, its value is 1 plus root 3 upon 2. And therefore, sin A plus B is not equal to sin A plus sin B. So it is a false statement. See the second statement. The value of sin theta increases as theta increases in the interval of 0 to 90. So if you will see sin 30 equals to 1 by 2, which is equal to 0 0.5. Sin 45 equals to 1 upon root 2, which is equal to 0 0.707. Sin 60 equals to root 3 by 2, which is equal to 0 0.866 approximately, and sin 90 equals to 1. And therefore you can see as theta increases, the value increases, and therefore the statement is true. Similarly, cos 0 equals to 1. But if you will see here, the statement false, because cos theta doesn't increase in the interval 0 to 90 degree, and therefore the given statement is false statement. Sin theta equals to cos theta. This is again true because when theta equals to 45, sin 45 equals to 1 upon root 2 and cos 45 equals to 1 upon root 2. But it is only true for 45, but it is not true for all other values. So if you will take sin 30 equals to 1 by 2 and cos 30 equals to root 3 by 2, the statement is false. And therefore we can't say it is a true statement, though it is true for theta equals to 45. It is a false statement because it is not true for every value of theta. Fifth question. Cos A is not defined for A equals to 0 degree. Now cot A equals to what? Cos A upon sin A. So cot 0 equals to cos 0 upon sin 0. 1 upon 0. And you all are aware we can't define the number when it is the having the denominator as 0, and therefore it is undefined, and hence the statement is true. So like this, dear students, any questions which are based on these specific angles as 30, 45, 60, 90, you can solve if you know the table very well. So what is your work? Your work is to learn by heart the trigonometric table of some specific angles starting from sin to up to the cot, means all ratios and particular angles and the values you have to learn by heart. Thank you, dear students. Have a nice day.